What if I told you AI can actually save your job? Many employees fear automation. They think, my job is about to disappear. But let's flip that narrative. AI is here to eliminate repetitive tasks. It's not about replacing you, it's about enhancing your work. In small manufacturing shops, the future lies not in machines ruling the floor. Instead, it's in streamlining processes. Think about production reports, inventory checks, and other mundane tasks. Today, we'll explore how to introduce AI without causing panic among employees. The fear surrounding AI is real. Picture this. You've worked in the same company for years. You know everything, from machines to processes. Suddenly, management starts discussing automation. What would you think? Likely, it feels threatening. Many employees may believe management wants to replace them. This is the challenge businesses face when adopting AI. Effective AI implementation is more than tech integration, it's a leadership issue. Start by asking, what repetitive tasks can we remove? This focuses on productivity rather than headcount. For instance, a production supervisor spends hours creating reports weekly. Instead of replacing the supervisor, let's fix the workflow. Imagine this. Your factory may be producing goods. But behind the scenes, there's a paperwork factory. Data is entered, checked, and emailed repeatedly. This is where automation shines. It simplifies the information process, allowing employees to focus on production. AI doesn't have to begin with machines. Your first project can involve automating information flow. Think of report generation, order processing, and inventory management. These processes are ripe for improvement. Let's consider an example. Imagine a manufacturing shop where the production supervisor spends the afternoon compiling a daily report. Instead of manually gathering data from different sources, automation could do this. The supervisor then reviews a dashboard with key insights, saving hours while retaining decision-making authority. Now, think about handling customer orders. When a customer inquires about their order, an employee typically spends time checking various sources. Imagine a system that automatically updates order status, freeing employees to tackle complex issues instead of routine ones. Next, let's talk about inventory. Interruptions due to stockouts can halt production. By implementing an automated monitoring system, alerts can trigger before reaching critical levels. This proactive approach means humans still make purchasing decisions, ensuring safety. AI also helps in quality control. Experienced professionals can review inspection records and identify patterns. AI surfaces data trends, allowing the human expert to investigate the root causes. This partnership ensures quality remains prioritized. Equipping employees with AI for maintenance can help organize vital history and schedule reminders. Automating information doesn't replace human skills, it enhances their application. But what about the invaluable institutional knowledge in employees' minds? AI can support knowledge sharing while promoting experienced workers as contributors to data systems. This transforms employees into experts rather than data sources. Tomorrow, ask your employees this. What repetitive task would you remove if possible? Their answers will reveal your automation roadmap. When operated as a team, automation fosters collaboration instead of fear. Before buying AI, assess your workflows. Document how information moves today. Identify pain points and delays. The technology should serve your business needs, not the other way around. Follow a simple model. Identify one repetitive task. Measure how much time it occupies. Automate what you can, leaving human oversight where direct judgment is needed. Track the impact. Has reporting time decreased? Have errors gone down? Start small. Test automation in one department. After 30 days, compare old and new processes. Did automation work? What needs improvement? Every success builds trust and encourages employee buy-in. Training is fundamental. Employees must be informed about what AI changes, what stays the same, and how to use the new systems. This transparency helps ease fears and builds confidence. Understand AI is not infallible. Mistakes happen, and systems can misunderstand data. Safeguards and human checks are necessary, especially in manufacturing. Cybersecurity is equally important. Be cautious with sensitive information. Establish clear usage policies to protect vital data. Will automation affect jobs? Yes, it will change how tasks are performed. However, with the right approach, many employees can shift into more valuable roles. Manufacturers are exploring AI for numerous applications, and small manufacturers need not rush into drastic changes. Begin with foundational elements like clean processes, involved employees, and clear problems. Eventually, it won't be the AI tools that distinguish you, but how you leverage them. Your competitive advantage lies in experienced staff and effective processes. Picture two shops. One avoids automation and stumbles through manual work. The other embraces it, allowing employees to excel and respond quickly. Which shop is stronger? To foster a supportive environment, involve employees in automation initiatives. Create a team with representation from various roles. Identify common pain points together and proceed to streamline those processes. Take the 30-day challenge. Identify repetitive tasks, select one for improvement, and pilot an automation effort. After a month, you'll understand your readiness for AI. Finally, track not just savings but also hours freed for productive work. It's not merely about reducing costs, it's about enhancing value through better informed employees. Connect AI with business outcomes. Instead of framing it as cost-cutting, present it as an opportunity for better quality, efficiency, and capacity. Effective AI systems are those that employees trust and utilize daily. Simplify the process by focusing on real problems and measurable improvements. Your workforce and technology strategy must align. As AI transforms processes, ensure your staff possesses the necessary skills. So what should you automate first? Start with minor information tasks that minimize frustrations and delays. Such targeted automation will ease adoptions and yield quick results. Communicate clearly. We'll introduce automation to reduce busywork and enhance productivity. Such honesty fosters a collaborative atmosphere where employees feel included. The future isn't about factories without people, but rather empowering people with smarter tools. The goal is to strengthen your workforce. If you're navigating how to implement AI to enhance your business, subscribe to the *Grow with Technology YouTube channel * for practical strategies. Follow ** at Grow with Technology 704 on Instagram * and visit www.growwithtechnology.com * for more insights. Embrace technology that addresses real issues. It's time to automate the busywork and strengthen your workforce. See you in the next video.